Bullish CRONOS value forecast is $0.1595 to $0.4970. CRONOS, CRO, cost could likewise reach $1 soon. Bearish CRONOS cost expectation for 2022 is $0.0617. In CRONOS, CRO, cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, REVOL, and other data about CRO to break down the future development of the digital currency. CRONOS, CRO, current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of CRONOS, CRO, is $0.123828 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $16,947,677 at the hour of composing. In any case, CRONOS has expanded by almost 4.6% as of now. What is CRONOS, CRO? CRONOS, CRO, is the local digital money of CRONOS, the local blockchain of the Crypto.com trade. CRONOS is an open-source EVM viable blockchain based on Universe SDK. It uses the verification of stake, POS, agreement. CRONOS blockchain upholds the crossing over of dApps and shrewd agreements of Ethereum and other blockchains to the Universe biological system by means of its between-blockchain correspondence, IBC, conventions. Crypto.org, previously known as the Monaco Innovation Firm, sent the Monaco coin, MCO as the utility token. In 2018, the organization sent off the CRONOS, CRO. CRO is basically utilized as the utility token inside the Crypto.com trade. Clients utilize these tokens in marking, administration, and in return benefits. CRONOS, CRO, existed previously as the Crypto.com coin, CRO. Later in February 2021, the token was renamed CRONOS, CRO. CRONOS, CRO, value expectation 2022. The above graph of CRONOS, CRO, spread out a climbing channel. Climbing channel design, otherwise called the rising channel. The upper and lower pattern lines that interface the record-setting paces all around separately seem to move inside a rising slant. This example is by and large a trait of a bullish pattern. Right now, CRONOS, CRO, is in the scope of $0.1295. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of CRONOS could arrive at the obstruction levels of $0.1512 and $0.1995. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of CRONOS might tumble to $0.1207 and $0.1068 and $0.0981. CRONOS, CRO, backing and opposition levels. The graph underneath shows the help and opposition levels of CRONOS, CRO. The outlines show that CRONOS, CRO, has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, CRONOS could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $0.4970. In like manner, assuming the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of CRONOS, CRO, could plunge to nearly $0.0617, a negative sign. CRONOS, CRO, value forecast 2022, REVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of CRONOS, CRO, is displayed in the diagram underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of CRONOS lies beneath the end line, showing powerless members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal, MAMA, of CRONOS, CRO, is displayed in the graph above. Eminently, CRONOS, CRO, cost lies under 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, CRONOS has entered a negative state. Consequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of CRONOS whenever. In the interim, the overall strength list, RSI, of the CRONOS is 40.63. This implies that CRONOS, CRO, is in an oversold state. Nonetheless, this implies a significant value inversion of CRONOS might happen in the impending days. In this way, brokers need to painstakingly exchange CRONOS, CRO, Value Forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to look normal directional file, ADX, of CRONOS, CRO. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. From the above outline, it tends to be deciphered that ETH, BTC, and CRO are moving in a comparable pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of CRO additionally increments or diminishes individually. CRONOS, CRO, Value Expectation 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern switches, CRONOS, CRO, could presumably achieve $3 by 2023. CRONOS, CRO, Value Forecast 2024. With a few updates in the organization, CRONOS, CRO, could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, CRO could energize to hit $5 by 2024. CRONOS, CRO, Value Forecast 2025. If CRONOS, CRO, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, CRO will energize to hit $7. CRONOS, CRO, Value Expectation 2026. If CRONOS, CRO, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, CRO will mobilize to hit $9. CRONOS, CRO, Value Expectation 2027. If CRONOS, CRO, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, CRO will mobilize to hit $11. CRONOS, CRO, Value Expectation 2028. If CRONOS, CRO, holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years, it could observe a critical cost rallies. Consequently, by 2028, CRO would hit $13. CRONOS, CRO, Value Expectation 2029. Assuming that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on CRONOS, CRO, it would observe significant spikes. CRO could hit $15 by 2029. CRONOS, CRO, Value Expectation 2030. With more prominent headways in the CRONOS biological system, the crypto